Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Fun. Today we are in a busy restaurant kitchen. You will learn 30 easy English sentences that a real chef uses every day. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. Let's start. I am a chef in a restaurant. I am a chef in a restaurant. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I put on my chef hat. I put on my chef hat. I check the orders first. I check the orders first. I prepare the ingredients. I prepare the ingredients. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I fry the chicken. I fry the chicken. I grill the steak. I grill the steak. I saute the onions. I saute the onions. I boil the pasta. I boil the pasta. I add salt and pepper. I add salt and pepper. I taste the food. I taste the food. I mix the salad. I mix the salad. I pour the sauce. I pour the sauce. I plate the dish. I plate the dish. I decorate the plate. I decorate the plate. I cook for the customers. I cook for the customers. I serve the food to the table. I serve the food to the table. The customers are happy. The customers are happy. I call the waiter. I call the waiter. I bake the bread. I bake the bread. I make fresh coffee. I make fresh coffee. I clean the kitchen counter. I clean the kitchen counter. I organize the fridge. I organize the fridge. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I take a short break. I take a short break. I thank the customers. I thank the customers. I love cooking for people. I love cooking for people. Wow, great job everyone. You just practiced 30 restaurant English sentences. Repeat this video every day. You will speak much better very soon. Which sentence was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you soon for more kitchen adventures. Thank you again, truly. Bye for now.